Hi friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss how you can do automatic dimensioning in Revit. And suppose if you are having any project and if you want to do automatic dimensioning like this, how you can do in this with the help of in Revit. So I will tell you. In the last video tutorial we saw how we did room tags in our project. So I am going to my architecture tab, and before starting your project we have to do some settings, and now I will go to this family where we will create our own family. So you are required to click open, and now I will go to English. First I will select my libraries, and then I will go to English Imperial, and you are required to click this annotations. So I will click annotations, and then you have to search for room tag. So here it is, our room tag. So we'll open our default family here, and we will edit this, and I'm going to continue to open file. So this is our room tag. So we will leave this room name as it is, and I'm going to click this, and now I will copy to clipboard, and then I will paste it to same place, and I will drag these two down, and we will select this and change it to 1/8 inch dimension. So it should be different. I don't like bold letters, so I will edit this, and then after this I will go to this level, edit, and now after this I will remove this name. We are required to set area, so you have to click this red button, it will remove, and now we will click this FX. So we will set some formula. I will give in my description link also how you can set formula for length and width. So you are required to give length and width of your room. So I am going to click here length. I will type length here, and discipline common, you are required to leave it like this, and then in type it is number, you are required to change it to length, and now we'll set the formula. I can also search on Google. I can download it from Autodesk's website also. I will give it in description link. You have to use this formula. If area is equal to perimeter by 4, etc., you are required to copy this, and I will copy this. I will give it in description link, and then I will go and paste it here in formula, and I will click OK. So our length is set. Now we are required to set our width. So I will click it again. I will type here width, and then in type I will select length only, and in formula you are required to type this. I will give in description link area by length. Will click OK, and in prefix I will type X here, and I will give spacebar, and then I will apply it. OK, and that's it. Our length into width is set here. We will save this to some folder. You can save it. I am going to save it my family in my download folders. I will go to documents, and I will save it to room tag. I will rename this room tag. I will rename this automatic dimension room tag, and I will save to my desktop folder, and that's it. I am going to create my new project here, new, and I will go to architecture template, and we'll quickly draw some plans here. I will use rectangle here. I will draw this room, and again I am going to draw another room here. give some doors. And now I am going to my file, architecture, room, and I will place it here, and it is coming default, so we have to insert. I will delete this, and now I am going to insert load family, and we will load our default the family which we have created for room tag automatic dimension. I will select this, and now I will open, and again I will go to my architecture room tag here, and that's it. Our automatic dimension is created here, and it will save a lot of time in Revit. So before beginning your project, you can edit your room tag family and you can start your project. So it will save a lot of time here. You can check it here also, your dimensions, and it is correct only. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will come with some another interesting topic. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.